Hello and welcome to the Osteophysio YouTube channel. Today we are going to be sharing our top tips to deal with instability of the shoulder joint. Instability is defined as the inability of the humeral head to sit within the glenoid fossa. So it falls typically into two categories. It can either be traumatic, so post-surgery, post-accident into the shoulder, causing damage to either the rotator cuff, long-headed biceps or the labrum of the shoulder, or can be atraumatic if there's a history of hypermobility. So we want to start with retraction of the shoulders. So this helps us activate through the rhomboids, so the posterior chain of the muscles around the shoulder and the back, attaching between the shoulder blade and the spine. We want to pinch and hold at end range for 2 to 5 seconds and then relax, aiming between 10 to 15 reps. Then moving on to unilateral retraction, so aiming to work through serratus anterior, sitting underneath the shoulder blade. Again, by regaining control each side, it's great for that instability. You're working the key muscles, looking at stability around the shoulder, holding at 2 to 5 seconds on end range and then retracting back, aiming for 5 to 10 reps on each side. We then want to use the theraband to add resistance through the movement. So we're still doing retraction, but this time adding resistance with the theraband. This is a great way to build that strength over time, holding at end range for 2 to 5 seconds, aiming between 10 to 15 reps. We're then moving on to resisted lat pull down, so working through latissimus dorsi, secondary muscle group for shoulder stability. Starting with the arms up straight, you're going to pull it down towards the chest, bending the arm, holding on end range, then relaxing, aiming between 10 to 15 reps. We then want to look at the main external rotators of the shoulder, so teres major and supraspinatus, adding that resistance, turning the hand outwards. You want to keep elbow into the side. We're aiming between 10 to 15 reps on one side and then repeating on the opposite side. It's absolutely key to regain the strength around the shoulder in order to regain shoulder stability to help with that instability through the shoulder.